Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. Remember, this video reflects my personal experience with the service. Today, we're taking a look at National Funding, a company found at nationalfunding.com. This financial services firm offers a variety of funding options for small to medium-sized businesses. Navigating the world of business financing can be daunting, so it's essential to understand what National Funding brings to the table. They specialize in providing access to working capital, which can be crucial for businesses facing unexpected expenses, seasonal fluctuations, or growth opportunities. Whether you're looking to purchase equipment, manage inventory, or cover payroll, having access to quick funding can make all the difference. National Funding emphasizes speed and convenience in its funding process. They aim to provide businesses with rapid approvals and funding, often within 24 hours. This can be a game changer for businesses that need immediate financial assistance. Their website, nationalfunding.com, offers a streamlined application process and a wealth of resources to guide you through the various financing options. They appear to prioritize customer service, offering personalized support to help businesses find the best financing solution for their unique needs. It's important to thoroughly research any financing option before committing, and National Funding provides information on various loan types, including term loans, SBA loans, and lines of credit. While exploring their offerings, remember to consider the specific terms and conditions associated with each loan product. Factors like interest rates, repayment schedules, and any associated fees are critical to understand. Doing your due diligence and comparing offers from different lenders will empower you to make informed decisions. A deeper dive into customer reviews and testimonials can also offer valuable insights into the experiences of other businesses that have worked with National Funding. Understanding the nuances of their services will allow you to effectively assess whether National Funding aligns with your financial goals and business requirements. So, be sure to check out nationalfunding.com and explore their resources.